If you've been in a gym, fitness studio, physical therapy office, or anywhere you find fit people congregating together, then you've most likely seen or even used a foam roller yourself. And if you've used one, do you know what the magic of a foam roller is all about? If not, I'm going to explain it to you in this short video. Well, a foam roller, it's a very simply designed tool that is used for both warm-up and cool-down of your muscles. The foam roller can positively affect your muscles, fascia, and circulation when used properly. So let's take a few minutes and talk about all the basics you need to know about a foam roller. Now, let's talk about why do you need a foam roller. Foam rollers, they become an essential part of the workout routine to help you warm up and restore your muscles, as well as help you cool down and release tight tissue. It's an excellent self-massage tool that can be used before or after a workout session. It works by placing your own body weight on the foam roller and then creating movement or even staying still to get your results. You can experience similar benefits to a deep tissue or sports massage treatment depending on how you use that foam roller. If you need lessons on how to use a foam roller, then just watch some of the content on this channel for free. Now remember, foam rollers, they do not replace your need for a massage therapist, but they act as a supplement to help you stay limber and fit in between massage therapy sessions. So it is wise to include a foam roller in your activity, no matter your lifestyle, because let's face it, everyone gets tight and you have to take care of those tight muscles to maximize your muscular health and optimize your entire life. So make sure to get a sports massage appointment periodically, but foam roll a few times a week for best results, athletes. And if you want to know how often to get a massage, I made a video talking about that, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can get up to speed on that as well. What are the benefits? Foam rolling. It's a self-massage technique that can diminish muscle soreness, tightness, and improve performance. The main two techniques you can use with a foam roller is creating compression and friction on your muscles. Now, depending on how you use foam rolling, it could either result in warming up or cooling down your body, like I said before. The compression that your body muscles receive from the foam roller helps to break up knots and relax the body when cooling down. When you use friction techniques to warm up, it's going to wake up the nervous system, it's going to get the muscles ready for action, and it reduces muscle stress and encourages flesh blood flow to the targeted muscle. Reduced muscle stress can improve your performance and offer better mobility. The rollers are generally used by athletes and fitness professionals who experience tightness in their muscles. With the right targeted foam rolling techniques, you can enhance your flexibility and mobility. The most commonly used foam rollers are made up of firm and compressed foam of varying densities to customize the pressure applied to the user. Generally, the rollers are 6 inches wide and in diameter from 12 to 36 inches in length. So what you're really going to choose when buying a foam roller is the length and density of your foam roller, no matter the type of foam roller you may want. In terms of varying styles, you can find different pattern bumps on them, which is used to increase pressure in a small area. Some rollers come with little gel inserts so you can freeze them, while other foam rollers, they just straight up vibrate. However, if you're a beginner to foam rolling, we suggest that you start off with soft foam roller and then gradually increase the intensity. And you can also watch this other video I made to help you pick the best foam roller for yourself if you need a little more information than that. Now, one thing I found very interesting is a study of male participants showed that foam rolling could reduce delayed onset muscle soreness, aka DOMS, which if you didn't know, DOMS is what happens when you work out the next day. So a cool down session with a foam roller after workout can help you not feel as sore that next day. So the best thing you can do as an athlete who wants to reduce the amount of time they are sore is by using foam rolling right after your workout or your training to reduce the inflammation of an intense workout session. Then get a massage to help really get rid of the bad stuff. So if you're in the New York City area and you're looking for a sports massage in New York City, then schedule your next appointment at Elite Healer's website and start recovering faster, so that way your foam rolling routine can feel a lot more effective once you have that sports massage. Now, to continue learning more about picking the right foam roller for yourself, I want you to click on the video on your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.